expressions or in their look. So similarly, the enemy may wishes that let the other one lie in pain or does not live in comfort. So in the words, if we allow the feeling of anger to arise or hatred to arise, then one falls to the prey of the enemy, or one falls to the prey of enemy because one becomes angry, or one becomes a prey to the anger. So when one contemplates in this way, in other words, by contemplating on these 7 things, it helps us not to fall prey to the anger. So the enemy, an enemy also wishes the other, let him have no prosperity. No enemy relishes an enemy's prosperity. Your enemy doesn't want to see you become prosperous. So when a person is angry, fall prey to anger, ruled by anger, then he may not be able to make a good judgment. So he mistake bad for good, or he mistake good for bad. So in that way, he may cause himself more harm or suffering, because he is being a prey to anger. Then the 4th thing, one contemplate, let him not be rich. So in other words, no enemy relishes an enemy's having wealth. Then the 5th, let him not be famous. So no enemy relishes an enemy's having fame. So when a person is angry, a prey to anger, ruled by anger, then his fame may be destroyed by his anger or hatred. Then the enemy wishes for his enemy. Let him have no friends. So no enemy relishes an enemy's having friends. So when a person is angry, a prey to anger, ruled by anger, then whatever friends he has, or his companions, relatives, you stay away from him, because he falls a prey to anger. Then similarly, an enemy may wishes for his enemy, let him on the dissolution of the body, after passing away, taking rebirth in the woeful state. So this is what the enemy may wishes for his enemy. So by contemplating in that way, one would avoid becomes angry, or one will not dwell on any unwholesome mental of ill will, aversion. So these 7 things that has been recommended in the text is to help us to overcome anger. In other words, not become a prey to anger. At the same time, we should not wish others these 7 things. So if we wish others these 7 things, it shows that we have anger or hatred in the mind. So sometimes a person out of anger may wish others, let this person be ugly, let this person lie in pain, not living in comfort. So sometimes out of anger, one also may wish others, let this person does not have prosperity, does not become prosperous, let this person not become rich or does not have wealth and so on, or let him not be famous, or let him does not have any friends, let him when upon passing away would take birth in the woeful state or the state of loss. So by such contemplation, then we may be able to overcome these any unwholesome thoughts or unwholesome mental states of anger, hatred, or ill will. So these are the two ways to overcome anger or hatred, aversion, ill will. When loving kindness meditations, loving kindness meditators have difficulties to overcome the feeling of anger or hatred or in other words dosa when they come to develop thoughts of loving kindness to the fourth categories. So this evening, as I did, everyone develop thoughts of loving kindness towards these four categories of individuals. So for each category, you will choose one person. Then, so you choose one person from the first category, the respected person. You choose one person for the second category, or someone you love dearly. Then you choose a person from the third category, or indifferent ones, or the neutral ones. And you choose a person for the fourth categories, that means if you have enemy, or someone you dislike or hate. So you develop thoughts of kindness to these individuals for about at least about 10 minutes before you change to next person or next individuals. And then after you develop thoughts of kindness to all these four individuals, then finally you develop the same thoughts of kindness towards all beings. But at the beginning, you may develop thoughts of kindness. You have to develop thoughts of kindness for yourself first, or wishing yourself be well, happy, peaceful, be free from suffering, or any thoughts of kindness you wish to make. So this loving kindness meditation also can be practiced in all the four postures. So at the beginning, if you want, you may walk for about 50 minutes or walking up and down, and develop thoughts of kindness to yourself or to any object of kindness meditation. And finally, you sit down. Or if you have problems to sit long, you may stand up and continue to develop thoughts of kindness to your object of loving kindness. So in the practice of loving kindness meditation, we may develop thoughts of loving kindness in all these four postures, or sitting, standing, walking, and reclining. But in the formal practice of this seldom develop loving kindness in the 9 postures. But at home, when you are about to take rest, you could not sleep well, then you may develop thoughts of loving kindness in the 9 postures. So we shall begin our practice now. So at the same time, I shall explain this method of loving kindness to our friends from Indonesia.